As an earth scientist and a person who has been fascinated with the study of our planet for decades, I wanted to create a unit on how the oceans and the atmosphere have changed over time. When you're teaching students about geologic time, they feel really unconnected from it. The nice thing about making this unit that I enjoyed was it connected the geologic past to the current changes that we're seeing in our climates and our oceans today. The challenge was to find some of the resources that made those connections clear. Using the CLEAN collection, I was able to identify some videos and identify some really good timeline activities so the students could start to look at extinctions. So now I take the history of our oceans and our atmosphere, which is really geologic time, and I'm putting it in context of the life sciences, which most kids love, and they really love extinctions. I don't know why they love extinctions, but they love to hear about like how a meteorite came out of the sky and killed all the dinosaurs. What they don't understand is that even though that might be the most famous extinction, it's not the biggest extinction. And so I connected that unit. The summative assignment is actually a review of an article that was written in 2014 on how rapid the Permian extinction was and how it was related to a huge influx of CO2 into our atmosphere that caused the oceans to acidify and warm very rapidly, which is what we're seeing today. And it also created deserts in places where there weren't deserts before. It created storm cycles. So it connected, the thing I liked about that unit is that it connects the past with the present. Students have the opportunity to see how rapid changes in one molecule in the atmosphere can cause a radical change in our oceans and our ecosystems, the biomes from around all over the world, and that in turn creates an opportunity for other organisms to become successful. Because without the Permian extinction, dinosaurs never would have happened. Without the Cretaceous extinction, we never would have happened. And now it makes geologic time much more relevant. So I think I looked at making the unit on the history of the oceans and the atmosphere an opportunity to create relevance around geologic time.